I hear a lot of people say, even if you have a brand new Facebook pixel, if you're trying to sell a product, you start with the conversions for purchase campaign, not a traffic landing page views campaign. What's your take on it?
Yeah, great.
Even with what you just said.
Great advice. I mean, it seems like, yes, we should first start trying to get people to the website, right? To, like, people call it like peppering the pixel. Totally not true. Totally not true. You're telling Facebook to find you people who click on links and land on pages. That's what you're telling Facebook. Hey, this is what I want. Those people aren't necessarily going to convert. You want to tell Facebook, I want purchasers. Right? Those are the people I want. Do I want people who initiate checkout or add to cart? No. Like, I do not want those people. I want people who are going to purchase. So yes, you're totally right on with that, Derek.
I think where people then they run into the issue of they're not putting enough ad budget in to exit the learning phase because they're not getting enough purchases. Right? So
yeah, absolutely.
They're running $30 a day, $50 a day even. But you still need a decent amount of purchases before it actually exits the learning phase. So what would you say there? What's the solution? Just put in a lot of ad budget when you're going to do it and just know it's going to cost a lot to actually figure out the data correctly, or just let your Facebook pixel say learning limited for a little bit and just let it drag on at whatever budget you can afford?
I just start turning ad sets off within a CBO campaign. That's really what it comes down to, is just like get rid of the other ad sets. If you don't have enough budget to be able to move around, then just start getting rid of the ones that are underperforming. Don't let them continue to try to perform, so that you can get out of that learning limited as soon as possible. And then into learning, and then hopefully into active, and then that's where you can really start scaling these campaigns up. 20% budgets a day. We have a lot of rules that we use at our agency for those types of scaling.